How to add points from a receipt in McDonald's app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can submit receipt details to claim missing points in MyMcDonald's rewards program using the mobile app. So let's get started. First of all, simply download the official McDonald's application from your Google Play Store or App Store and sign into your account. If you don't have an account already, you can sign up following a few simple steps. So once you have signed up and signed in, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you got to do is head over to rewards over here. So basically, you cannot directly add points from a receipt to McDonald's application. But what you can do is that you can head over to the front desk or drive-through, and then you can head over to more, go to promo codes and type in your promo code, or alternatively, you'll be able to see a QR code, so you can simply show that QR code to them, and then they will scan that QR code, and then they will verify it using their system. And if it does apply, then they will just offer you the discounts. And that is basically how you can redeem those points from a receipt in your McDonald's application for any order. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.